How to jumpstart your Nissan Altima 2019 to 2025. First, you need to open the hood. The hood release latch is on the footwell on the left side of the driver's side. If you're not able to enter the car because the battery is dead, so the door won't unlock, there is a keyhole right over here, and on your key fob you also have a physical key. You need to push this latch and at the same time pull on the key itself, and you'll have access to the key that goes here, and you'll be able to open the door and pull the hood release latch. Once you're over here, you're gonna notice there is a yellow over here, a yellow latch that you need to push up and at the same time lift the hood. The hood prop is right here, and you'll need to connect it right over there where you see the arrow. Next, you're gonna find the battery on the right side, remove the cover and remove the cap over the positive side. The negative side doesn't have any caps. In this video I'll be using a portable booster like this one, the Noco. I'll put a link in the description down below. You can boost your car I think 6 times before the battery is dead. It has saved me many times. So once you get your booster, or maybe another car, you're gonna take the positive clamp and put it on the positive side first. Like that. And then you're gonna take the negative and do the same on the negative side. Then if you have one of these boosters, you'll need to turn it on. It will flash a couple times. Then go inside of your car, put your foot on the brake pedal, press it and press the start button. The car should crank and work. Then you need to go back here, and we're gonna remove in the same order we put them, the contrary order. First, turn off your booster, remove the negative side first, remove the positive side, put everything back, and here we go. This is how you jumpstart your Nissan Altima from 2019 to 2025. I hope this was useful. Again, I'll put Amazon links if you want one of these boosters. Very useful. I always keep one in the trunk just in case. Have a beautiful day. See you.